Hey home cooks, today I've got a game changer for you. We're diving into the world of chayote and making a delicious chayote soup that'll transform your meals. If you've never heard of chayote, it's time to get acquainted with this nutrient-packed fruit that's often eaten like a vegetable. First up, heart health. Chayote is loaded with fiber, which helps lower cholesterol and reduces the risk of heart disease. Plus, it's packed with phytochemicals like mirliton that improve blood flow and regulate blood pressure. Talk about a double whammy, but that's not all. The antioxidants in chayote help reduce inflammation and protect against free radicals, giving your cardiovascular system the support it needs. Just one chayote squash, about 203 grams, gives you 12% of your daily fiber, 17% of your vitamin C, and a whopping 47% of your folate. It's also rich in vitamins B9, K, B6, and minerals like manganese, copper, zinc, potassium, and magnesium. And get this, folks, chayote has anti-inflammatory properties and antimicrobial activity from its leaves, stems, and seeds. It can even help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce uric acid, making it great for people with gout. Alright, let's get cooking. We're making the most delicious chayote soup you've ever tasted. This recipe is perfect for any season, and trust me, your friends and family will be impressed. Chayote is a type of squash commonly used in Latin American cuisine, but it's often overlooked. Not anymore. Its mild flavor makes it the perfect canvas for other ingredients. Whether you love spices, herbs, or rich broths, chayote adds excitement to your meals. We'll be combining it with aromatic spices and a rich vegetable broth. Ready to take your cooking skills to the next level? Let's do this. First, the ingredients. You'll need onion, garlic, vegetable broth, fresh cilantro, and lime juice for added flavor. Plus, carrot, potato, garlic freshly chopped, Himalayan salt to taste, 1 chopped onion, and of course, the star of the show, chayote. Pick a firm, blemish-free chayote for the best flavor and texture. Start by sautéing the onion and garlic in a bit of olive oil. Add the diced potato, keep stirring for a minute or so. Then add the chayote, vegetable broth, and spices. Let everything simmer until the chayote is tender. The magic happens when you blend the soup. Once it's cooled slightly, use an immersion blender to puree it until smooth and creamy. If you don't have an immersion blender, transfer the soup to a blender in batches. Blend to a smooth consistency. You can add a bit of water if needed. You can customize this recipe to your taste. Add different spices, herbs, or even cream or coconut milk for added richness. Feeling adventurous? Throw in the carrots to make it heartier. Add a little olive oil to a pan and sauté long cut onion. When onion turn brown, add soup from blender. Ladle soup to bowls. Top with freshly grated black pepper and chopped cilantro. Soup can be served chilled in the summer and can be warmed up in the winter. As we wrap up, get creative and experiment with different flavor combinations. Cooking is all about having fun and trying new things. And if you try this recipe, tag me in your Instagram posts. I can't wait to see your creations. That's it for today, folks. We've made a simple yet flavorful chayote soup that you can enjoy anytime. If you like this recipe, check out my other cooking videos and let me know in the comments how your chayote soup turned out. Happy cooking!